Employee embezzlement, okay? Employee embezzlement. 40% is going to be hit. And I'll tell you, the consultants that I've talked to and the investigators that I talk to, I think it's closer to 50 to 60%. You hear about the 40. There's other problems you don't hear about, okay? So if anything else, when you go back to your office, think, I'm going to be one of the 40% that's going to be hit, and you've got to be proactive on that. The average embezzlement is $105,000, and it's not done in all at one time, okay? It's done over a series of periods of time. And I think that's actually low. I think that's low. The ones that we've been involved in have been 150 to 350. Okay? When you get a loss that's 350, that's over 10 or 15 year period. So what do you do? What do you do? The signs. The sign. You guys see signs every day, but you blow them off. You don't listen to your signs. You don't look at your signs. You're too busy drilling and filling, and you don't pay attention to what's going on in your office. Okay? If you can't receive financial information in a timely manner, you've got a huge problem. And it's not because your office staff is too busy. It's because they don't want to give it to you. Okay? Resist change. We run into a lot of this. We do a lot of mergers, acquisitions. Our younger guys now are coming in. They're all tech. They're all tech. They're revamping these systems. And when all of a sudden the new guys come in and you got the old guard handling the books, they do not want to touch the books. Leave my books alone. We've been doing it great for 10 years, 20 years. Doctors making $1.5 million. Why do you need to upgrade? When you get that kind of response, you need to take a step back because you got a huge problem. If you're not checking your adjustments on at least a daily or weekly basis, you're killing yourself. You need to be in your books checking adjustments. Because if you don't have adjustments, you got money going out the door. Okay? So when you go back and you check a patient's chart and you see adjustment, who's adjusting? Why are they adjusting it? Okay? Why are they writing off $900? Okay? Why is your front desk giving her mother a $900 discount? Okay? Why is your front desk giving her neighbor a 30% discount? If you can't explain that, you got a problem. Adjustments. If you think your CPA is looking at adjustments, you're nuts because they got no idea. That's something you've got to handle. And there's ways to do that. Collections. My numbers are off. There's a reason why your numbers are off. You're drilling and filling, you're busy, and your numbers are off. Collections have slowed. Why? One, I never accept cash. I would never accept cash in today's market. Never. There are so many things you could do. Debit cards, ACHs, okay? ACH system, you write a check, boom, it's in your account, it's done. It's out of their account. You'll know instantly whether or not that check is accepted or not. I would never accept cash. You can't track cash. And if you accept cash, you got to have a 2 sign-off system for deposits. Accepting and deposits. Cash deposits closed. Employee free to take vacation. You think your employees love you. They don't. They don't. They like you. They don't love you. You got the employees never taking a vacation. Never taking a vacation. Loyal. Friends of the family. They babysit your child. They watch your children grow up. They don't take vacation. They're loyal. Garbage. They're stealing from you. I'm telling you, you got an employee that's never taken a vacation, you need to have that employee mandatory go on vacation. In employee manuals now, we're writing mandatory vacation schedules. Because what happens? Okay? What happens when that employee is gone? You got to check the records. You got to have billing issues. You got billing questions now. And all of a sudden, you're trying to figure out what's this person doing? Why are all these sticky notes in pencil in their desk? Why is there pencil ledgers? All these crossouts and initials. When's the last time on a Saturday you've checked your accounting person's desk? You want to find out what's going on in your practice? You come to work on a Friday and answer your own phone. You come on a Saturday, answer your own phone. And you're going to find out why that employee is not taking vacation. Okay? When I hear employees aren't taking vacations, I worry. Because I tell my doctors, you got a huge problem. And that is a huge problem. All right, so what do you do if you suspect? One thing you do is you never confront. I will never forget the call that I got about 9 o'clock at night one time, and I give my doctors my cell phone number because you guys are drilling and filling all day long. And we get most of our calls, frankly, from doctors who want to talk serious, about 7 to 10. And that's just the cost of doing business for what we do, okay? So I get a call from my doctor, and I said, hey, Stuart, how you doing? Good. Why are you calling me 9 o'clock at night? I got Janice here. Why is Janice at your office 9 o'clock at night? Or do I really want to know? He said, I think she's stealing from me. Great. Are you on speakerphone? Well, yeah, she's right here. Damn. Pick up the phone. So I tell him, do not say another word. Send her home. Call me in the morning. He's already blown. By that time, she's already logged into the system. She's already deleted whatever evidence she has of embezzlement. He's done. So what do you do if you suspect? You've got to do spot audits. If you're not doing spot audits anyhow, you're killing your practice. So if you suspect, start doing spot audits. Pick 10, 15, 20 charts. Hire a CPA. Okay? Your CPA that's doing your quarterly returns has no idea on forensic auditing. It's a specialty. Most of them don't want to mess with it. Again, do a spot audit. Come in on Friday. Come in on Saturday. You'll be amazed what you find out. So what do you do with suspect? One, seek legal advice, okay? Because there's things we do and there's people we hire that if we hire them, it is non-discoverable in litigation. If you hire the experts, it is discoverable. Everything is open. But if we hire them on the rules of discovery, they never get to it because it's work product, okay? It's work product. Have an investigation strategy. You can't just fly into something because if you bet wrong and you make accusations and you go on Facebook, like some of my clients have done and said, I suspect my front desk is embezzling, why would you do that? This is what I deal with. I mean, it pays the rent. You know, I mean, it's just great stuff. So you got to work closely with a CPA and a forensic auditor. Okay, you got to do that. You got to have a strategy. You can't just go in because it is a methodical process to find out who's embezzling and what they're doing. Everyone, if you have a partner, everyone is in play in a practice. We had a case where my client couldn't figure out where $60,000 went to. Okay? I said, get in there and figure it out. Get these books going. We discovered that the office manager, who is my partner's wife, handles the books. The partner, he discovered, was having an affair. That never happens in a dental practice, does it? You'd be surprised. So he's having an affair. So where do you think the $60,000 is going to? To the lawyers, or to the office manager's slush fund for legal fees. She's building a war chest for divorce. That's where that went to. So if you suspect embezzlement, everyone's in play. Even your most loyal employees, even your partner's spouse. Okay? Even your spouse. I got divorce stories you couldn't believe. Even your spouse. That's another topic. So if you discover you got embezzlement, you can't withhold funds. You can't take out their 401k. You can't take out the retirement because now you just committed a violation on the Securities Exchange Act, which is probably more serious than the person that embezzled $60,000. So you can't do that. You can't take the money.